Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a searchable dropdown in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. For example, I have a list of movies, and I want to make a searchable dropdown list to search for a specific movie in the list. So first, select the specific cell on Excel that you want to use as a dropdown list. Then on the top, select Data from the ribbon. And here you find the option Data Validation. Just click on it. Now in this pop-up, select List here. Next, click on Source, and select your data that you want to add in your drop-down list. Then press Enter from your keyboard, and then click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, your drop-down list is successfully created. You can also use it as a searchable drop-down list, like I am just writing the letter G here, and it shows all the movie names that started with the letter G. So, it was the simple and easiest way in which you can make a drop-down list in MS Excel. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.